And conversations to a close. All right, thanks. One thing I did forget to mention that since we are recording and we'll be kind of putting it out there, as I am walking around, it may catch some of you in the picture. So maybe something to, just so you're aware of that. I guess I didn't say that intentionally, but I just want to make sure you're aware of that. We will be, as I'm going around, it is taking a shot of the room, if you will. So, do you want to interject to that? So. Okay, so we've kind of chunked it out into the sections you saw there. So in this first section, we're really just going to kind of get into this concept of exploring the essential question. And so these are the pieces we're going to walk through, kind of helping you establish what an essential question is, kind of had you just started your conversation around that, but digging deeper into that, looking into some examples, and then digging a little deeper into, at least as the book portrays it, what essential questions are and what they and how they can be used, if you will. All right, so let's start right off. What I'd like you to do is consider these two questions, okay? What traits do essential questions have in common? And then how do they differ from others, meaning how do they differ from other questions? And so what I've done here is given you a model of, here are some examples of essential questions, and here are some examples of what are considered not essential questions. So what I'd like you to do is, if you just grab a piece of paper, we're going to actually have you write to this for about 2 or 3 minutes. I just want you to write to those two questions. If you are comfortable with essential questions and you have some prior knowledge, go ahead and work from that. But if you're not sure, that's why we gave you the samples here. So read through the essential questions that are given, as well as the not essential questions, and look for patterns or other things, and then just speak to those two questions if you would. And we'll give you about, well, I'll check in at about 3 minutes. Okay? Are there any questions that you have? And we're just going to do a writing here, just answering those questions. Okay? Go ahead.